How to dry carrots, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of our carrot drawing today, we're going to begin by drawing the actual carrot itself. This is also known as the carrot root. Later on in the video, we're going to draw the leaf of the carrot, which will be on top of the carrot root. It's also important to remember that all the carrots have a little bit of a different shape, so we won't use just super straight or curved lines. They're going to be a little bit different all the way down to the point of our carrot. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials every single day, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, so if you want to pause the video and match your colors, you'll be able to. Now on the top of the root of our carrots, we're going to begin to draw the stem. The stem will have 3 large pieces, with the middle one pointing straight up and the 2 other ones on the sides pointing outwards. Each piece of the stem will be roughly the same size. Now just to make sure that both sides of the carrot leaf are the same size, we're just going to go back and forth between each side and extend them equally. If you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Now we're going to draw the middle piece, which will help connect the 2 sides that we just drew. Fantastic, now we're almost done. For the next and final step, we're just going to go all over the carrot that we just drew and add in a little bit of detail. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I hope your drawing turned out great. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like, and don't forget the next one I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.